The Manage Users tab lets you control who can access your world and what permissions they have. This section shows you some quick statistics about your users. This section lists all your users. You can type something in this field and press the Enter key to search for a user by their name, email, or ID. These two drop-downs allow you to filter the list by status or user type. You can click this icon to edit the details of a user. Click this icon to delete a user. When you delete a user, their status becomes inactive. You can change your filter to show inactive users. Clicking this icon again will let you recover this deleted user. You can either add users manually or by importing them. To add users manually, press the Add Users button. In the window that appears, fill in their details. Then select what type of user you want them to be. If you want to add more than one user, click this button. Once you are done, press the Add User button. If you do not want to add the users manually, you can add them automatically by importing them. To do so, click the Import Users button. In this window, you can click this link to download the CSV model. To import users, they need to be listed inside a CSV file using the specific format shown in the CSV model. Once you are done creating your CSV file, save it, then click the Upload File button and select it. Then click the Import CSV button. You can then find your new added users in the user list. You can export your users list to a CSV file by clicking the Export Users button. You will then be prompted to download the CSV file. The file will be in the same format used to import users. To increase the seat limit in your world, click the Add Seats button. Clicking this drop-down menu will let you select how many more seats do you want to add. If you have a coupon, you can add it here and click Apply. Click the Add Seats button once you're done. Daily passes allow you to add temporary one-day access for your users. Click the Daily Pass button. You can then use the slider or the field to input how many daily passes you would like to add. If you have a coupon, add it here and press Apply. Press the Add Daily Pass button once you are done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.